downhill furnish trail. Not going as aggressive as I want because I got more higher pressure. I haven't let anything out, but I think it's actually good. It keeps kind of watching my technical skills so I don't get sloppy or anything. This is the Great Oak Trail. Been down this trail before. Interesting thing is when I got this bike tuned up, they said I did not need new brake pads. Even though I think I brake quite a bit, I guess. And I've had this bike got it in April of 2015. Disc brake pads are still good. So like 4 years. Just in 4 years. Got this on video before. Yeah, riding rigid PSI is definitely a big deal. Anyone that rides rigid would understand. I like it. I'm liking these ergon grips too. My hands are not numb. My wrist and hands definitely feel much more comfortable. Ergonomically positioned. I think the hyper smooth stabilization of the GoPro is nice, but sometimes it might take away from the effect. Like when I'm bumping around, it might smooth it out more than what I'm actually experiencing. That might be my only complaint about it, but I think it's great in general. For Wasps videos and stuff, it's definitely great. For biking videos, it's good. Although, like I said, it might take away from some of the biking experience. Choose my line there. The rocks were kind of tall. You feel like bumping and then you want to whoop-de-doo over the handlebar. Got into the trail, I want to be able to walk right out. If I had lower pressure, I'd just like go right over all that stuff. Definitely a different experience, but it's all good. My joints take the beating. Punishing. Well, it's not punishing because it hasn't decreased any. Well, it is punishing in a way because it's decreased. Be going over it somewhat. So that's the definition of punishment. Anything that decreases a behavior. You know, you could get shocked all you want, but if you get shocked and you still engage in the behavior that shocks you, it's not punishing because it didn't stop the behavior. It might actually just be reinforcing. ABA fact of the day. I am the BCBA, Board Certified Behavior Analyst, so I throw that in there. Wasp removal is my fun gig, and I have another career, so can't film my regular job. Hopefully it's picking up those bumps on the camera. Definitely more fun than any amusement park ride. Natural fun. Plus you get a workout. You got a thing. Not too muddy overall. I say that when I hit the mud because I saw the mud and I thought of it, but pretty good. Well drained. Stay out of those bike tracks because that's where it got muddy. But the ride back in December at Hibernia was awful. Very wet. Very cold too. I have to step in the puddle. Not a fun experience. This opens up into a meadow. Spinning out a little bit. Still got my traction. I might actually go wasping here in August. I'd like to find some Vidua nest. One of my favorite species. Actually looking forward to working with that species the most this year. Kind of tired of Germanica. Germanica is just so damn common. Same with maculifrons. I saw more Germanica calls last year just because they nest in more associated structures. German yellowjacket and eastern yellowjacket, I only see the most around here. But there might be some Vidua in these meadows. I'm not gonna go through the brush, but let me try to. When I go through, I always think of Vidua. Very dark yellowjacket. It's called the widow yellowjacket because it's so dark. It's yellow, mostly black, like a widow going to the funeral wearing black. Type in Fernbrook Road on my Google Maps next time, because I type in St. Peter's Road, but it doesn't take me to the park. I don't know if this house is abandoned or what. I'm gonna check it out. A lot of dead fuscatus in there. Got nice hardwood floors. Heating ducks. Old bald-faced hornet nest up there. Hopefully you can see it. Just got like 3 combs. There's a lot of wasp policies flying around. The wasps are out. It's April now. Done the ride pretty much. I'm just walking around exploring. Policies usually the first wasps to come out in my area. The mason bees too. Start to see the yellow jackets around the 3rd week of April. Maculifrons and Germanica come out the first. Probably another 2 weeks they'll be out. A lot of dead wasp and mouse poop in there. Old refrigerator, it looks like. Clothesline or power line? It's weird. I'm surprised you still got power. There's another remains of a bald-faced hornet nest right here. See the old envelope, just envelope and stuff. Looked like it reached maturity. Could have been sprayed, I don't know. It's 2 bald-faced hornet nests I saw so far on this property. Look at the upper part. A lot of fuscatus. Fuscatus is king here right now. So a biking video that turned into a wasp video.